Yes, see students, I am finding about attendance, many are lethargic. They are not completing attendance regularly. Only few students are there, they are regular in posting their attendance. You are completing assignments, but you are not completing attendance. For attendance, separate link is given, separate Google form is given, and lecture wise you have to fill that. How are the lectures? See, these are the lectures. I hope you could able to see the screen. Yes, are you going to observe the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good, good. See, up to yesterday, 22 lectures are completed. So I expect attendance for those 22 lectures from everybody except this one lecture whose recording is not available and I can't upload it now. So who were present for live lecture, that's lecture number 17, which was conducted on 30th of July. Only live attendance will be there. Record attendance will not be there. But for all lectures, suppose if you are absent for live lecture, you can go through recording or you can do both live as well as recording. So that option is kept to you and many students are using that option, but still many are not filling. And college asked me to submit the attendance. I had given the clear cut instruction and I'm finding that attendance is not to the mark. For example, here see 22 lectures are there and total number of students in the class are about 35. So I expect there 770 responses at least because few students have responded twice. Just wait, let me know who want to enter. Gitanjali. Yes. See here the attendance. This likewise I get this attendance. On which date you are giving the attendance, that also I want to receive. So total if I see maximum attempt combining your class, how many expected? 770 at least should be there. But how many are there? 307 only are there. Means chances are there few students at the beginning they fill attendance, later on they are not filled. There are many students they are not filled attendance till now, but they have complete assignments. So completion of attendance is very important. Whatever, I am giving some time to you. Today is the 6th, no? So I give you 2 days for you. 7th and 8th means up to Sunday. On Monday, I will report whatever the reality is there. At that time, don't blame me that I had not informed. I am very clear cut in the instruction. If instruction is not clear to you, bring it to the my notice. Maybe you are joined to the lecture late and therefore instruction is not clear. Then see, I repeat, attendance is mandatory. How can you give the attendance? One Google link is there, Google form is there through which you have to give the attendance. And in that attendance, recorded lecture, recorded and live lecture, only live lecture, likewise the options are there. You have to choose the suitable option. And what is most important thing, you have to give these lecture numbers only, these lecture numbers only. And date will also be this one. When you will submit, no, at that time I will come to this date of submission, date of lecture that I want. And date of submission I will come to know in this form only. Here what? Only lecture record is there. I show to you now. How did I come to know? See here. For example, Bhakti Pednekar, she has submitted it on 6th of August. I mean, just now she has submitted attendance. At 12:36 she has submitted the attendance. And of which lecture? Lecture number 9. So be clear cut in filling the attendance. If you have any doubt, if you want anything from me, bring it to my notice. I want attendance within 2 days. On Monday, I am going to report. And if your attendance is not to satisfactory level, it is coming on record. Previously, what was there? There are many chances. Record keeping maybe was not kept properly. Here, proper electronic record is there. Neither I can change, neither principal sir can change, no other teacher can change. Students, are you following what I am saying? It's a very serious issue.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Only
sir.
one reply I am getting.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Two replies.
Yes, sir.
Three,
Yes, sir.
four.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, 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 good. Okay. Now, if you have any doubt about attendance, bring it to my notice. What shall I do for you so that you will complete attendance within 2 days? 50% attendance is there. The many students who are perfectly regular. Means there are many students they have not submitted attendance at all. or only for few lectures. And I'm going to calculate that number of lectures and number of lectures for which you are present. Accordingly, percentage will be decided. I hope you don't have any question now. Now I'm asking clearly to you. At this moment, for this lecture, 19 students are there. And now I'm feeling somewhat well. I can now edit the videos and I can upload. I started to do the work. Previous year lectures are there, which I kept pending, that I kept for uploading. If you want to see, you can see that. Just wait. I share the screen. Now you could able to see the screen. See here, this lecture, S.Y.B.Sc lecture number 13, dated 22nd July. That I told you I'll post it soon, but it took this many days, more than 15 days. It's a pending. Upload is what? Pending. 66% upload is completed. That you are going to find here. Means it may take further 1 hour to what? Upload. Not 1 hour, half hour. 34 minutes are left to what? The upload that video completely. So that lecture plus one more lecture is there, which is pending, which is that lecture, yesterday's lecture, whose recording that I will what the post. So I'll edit it first. It will take 3 to 4 hours, and then I will what the post that. This one will be available later, that I said, no, at lecture number 22. Only for lecture number 17 you will not get the link. Means those who are absent for live lecture, they could not fill the attendance. Only that lecture. Okay. Now I am asking clearly to you: is it possible, if you are not went through the videos, going through the videos, attending it, and filling the attendance form up to Sunday night? I reply from everyone. 90 students are there.
Yes, sir.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. Okay. Saurabh is with the question. YouTube video. Yes, I could not read completely as Chirag. Saurabh is the question. YouTube video on attendance form. Yes, Saurabh, it is a lecture. And what good thing happened, I was not feeling well. I could not take the live lecture, but because of that recorded lecture, I could take the lectures. And assignments were there. You were completing assignments. Purpose of assignment is you have to work, you have to study, and that's a proof that you have studied, that you are preparing notes. By the way, you are answering the questions in on the YouTube. That also I will check later on. But at this moment, in emergence, because college asked me the record of attendance, so I am waiting for further 2 days. On Monday, maybe I will submit the record. For that, I should alarm you, know. Only taking action has no meaning. I should give the proper time for you. Mistakes are possible. That mistake you are doing, you are not giving the regular response for the attendance. Recorded, YouTube recorded lecture also is a lecture, and that's the advantage is, because for everybody at that time, for example, now today's lecture at 12:30, maybe it is not possible for everybody to attend this lecture live, or network issue may be there. For that, I am giving recorded lecture for such student. So I am giving lecture opportunity. I am giving opportunity to students to attend lecture 100%. Only for one lecture I could not give the recorded video. That was a live lecture. Saurabh, are you getting what I am saying? Yes. So other students' question asked by Saurabh and answer that I provided. Is it clear? Every lecture, recorded lecture is important. For that you go through that Google Sheet. Everything is clear cut. Lecture number is given there. Date of lecture is given. Topic of lecture also is given there in that Google Sheet. And surprisingly, what I am finding, not 50% also attendance there at this moment. But you are completing assignments. But attendance form you are not filling. It means you are not serious about that. It's the most technical part. And I made clear my stand. I am not going to favor anybody, and I am not going to victimize anybody. But from my side, instructions should be clear. So I am using this opportunity to make the instructions very clear to you. And today only I will post a video of this today's lecture. It may take more time for me, but I will work now. Now I could able to work. I can post the videos. Yes. Saurabh has asked the question. Likewise, if anybody has a question, let me know. Therefore, what happened, Saurabh and other students, we have covered a lot of syllabus. Okay, Gitanjali has no question, Prathamesh has no question, Akshata has no question, Jelina has no question. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, I hope instructions are very clear. So, about attendance, one important instructions I need to give that I had given. Now come to the chemistry. about the topics which you are learning, which you are studying, about which if you have any doubt, you can ask. Shubham is with the question. Can we now know how many lecture forms we have filled? Yes. Yes, Shubham is very practical. Yes, Shubham, absolutely. I need to give that. Yeah, I will give. I will give. But give me some time, Shubham. Uh, what Shivam is asking, whatever the record and with now know, that I will give. So that Shivam will come to know. Lecture number 6, attendance not given. Lecture number 15, attendance not given. But he knows that he attended the lecture. If you are not at lecture, attend the lecture and then submit the attendance. Honest is to your side. Yes. So question of Shubham is very, very, very fantastic, very practicable. I was expecting the same thing. If you really involved in this issue, no, then you will ask question as Shubham has asked the question. So I will, whatever this Excel sheet is there, no? Now, for example, this one, see. This Excel sheet is there, this Excel sheet. Actually, it is in the Google sheet. I'll copy it in the Excel sheet and I will give it to you. So you have to study that properly. But what may possible? Suppose if I prepare Excel sheet now and Gitanjali, for example, has given attendance after preparation of her Excel sheet, then her record will not be there in that. So you have to remember at least now which attendance you are giving. At least you remember. Otherwise, wait for further 5 to 10 minutes after completion of the lecture and then go on filling out the attendance so that there will be no problem. Shubham is the answer for the question that you have asked. Is it clear? Yes. Other students, the question asked by Shubham and answer that I provide, is it clear? Okay, Farin is the question. If we were absent, just wait for it. If we were absent for online lecture, but later we saw recorded lecture, so we have to give attendance for recorded lecture. Yes, absolutely, absolutely, Farin. Those who were present for live as well as recorded, they can click that option. It is there in the Google form. If you are attending only recorded lecture, then click that form. If you are attending both live and recorded, then also that proper option, or only live, then that proper option. So three options are there: only live, only recorded, and both live and recorded. So whichever the option is there, that maybe lecture is live, but you were absent for live lecture, then you have to fill attendance for only recorded lecture. You have to go through that lecture and then you have to fill that attendance. Is it clear? Okay, Farin said yes. Okay, but Rina is the question. Can you please share the slide of lectures, which dates? Just wait, somebody want to enter. Because it will be necessary to fill the dates on. See again, Rina, if you go to the classroom now, then you will find at the beginning I had given the link for lecture record, S.Y.B.Sc lecture record, and link for attendance. Can anybody do volunteer work? Can you share that links, both links? You can share in the classroom or you can share in the WhatsApp group. Yes, who will help me? I want link of both, link of lecture record and attendance record. So that problem of Rina will be solved. Who is with the link? Is there anyone who is with the link? Okay, Prathamesh has answered yes. Yes, Prathamesh, please help. It's a synergy work, no? Always don't expect that. I could also do that work, but here you are getting opportunity to help other. If you know one thing, you can ask or you can inform others. So Prathamesh, please give the links in classroom also, classroom announcement. And by the way, in the our WhatsApp group also. Is it clear, Prathamesh? Okay, so Prathamesh, I give you 30 minutes after lecture. Suppose you do not give that, then somebody can ask in the group, WhatsApp group, links for that. And those are there. Many students are with the links. They are because filling the attendance form. Record. Okay, Vasant has shared already, I think, in the group. Okay, now I don't have that record and not mobile also. Okay, you go through that. Okay, Vasant, if Vasant has not done, Prathamesh will do that. Okay, maximum 30 minutes after lecture, I'm waiting for that. Good, good, Vasant. Okay, fine. Reena, is the your query solved? And I want that links in both classroom as well as WhatsApp group. Okay, any other question? Yes, Reena said thank you to Vasant because he posted the link. Okay, and see what is the horrible thing. We have conducted almost 25 lectures, means 25 videos through which you went, but still many are not awake. Doesn't matter. Reality is reality. We have to accept that. In future, don't allow me to bring it to your notice. about the attendance and about the completion of assignments. You have to do them. Any doubts are there, if questions are there, if problems are there, any queries are there, then you have to ask. Yes. Now, any question about chemistry? Okay, question is not there. So planning I tell to you, up to Sunday night you have to complete attendance filling. By the way, assignments I'm giving time up to 20th of August. Now coming assignments also will be there. So today I plan to give you the few further videos, but I am not giving. You have to complete these tasks. Next week further videos will be there. I repeat, up to this Sunday night you have to complete the attendance record. If you are not went through video, you have to go through the video and complete that's attendance. And up to 20th of August, assignments which I had given yesterday also, previous assignment dates were already given to you. Now, further future assignments also will be there, date will be shared accordingly. But up to 20th of August, I want assignments of all 25 lectures. Are my instructions clear to everyone? Please reply. Yes. So instructions are clear cut. You don't have any question. So I feel that it's better to quit. It is better to stop the lecture. Complete your task. I am completing the video editing and the uploading. Pending task, today's lecture and the last lecture. And one video always kept for attendance. Okay, for attendance for assignment lecture is also required. See, assignment lecture means what? It is a recorded lecture. It's a lecture. It is a lecture. It's a recorded lecture. So lecture number is given on Google Sheet is there. You go through that. So concept will be the very clear cut. I repeat, see, still the question. Okay. Farina's, I think concept is clear to you. Go to that Google Sheet. Link might be sent by Pramesh or Vasant. Okay, and complete the task. Okay, then students, quit now. Next Thursday, let me have the discussion further. Be with the questions. I stop the recording now. Lecture is over.